Good morning, one and all. Today we will discuss some other problems on maxima and minima of function of two variables. Let us see one definition, that is extreme value. F of a comma b is said to be an extreme value of f of x comma y if it is a maximum or minimum value. So here the definition of extreme value is, if a point f of a comma b is said to be an extreme value of the given function if it is a maximum or minimum. So that it is maximum or minimum, then that point a comma b is said to be an extreme value. Let us see first question. Find the extreme values of xy into a minus x minus y. So this is the first question. Then the solution of this problem is, so here the given function is f of x comma y equal to xy into a minus x minus y. So this can be written as a into xy minus x square y minus xy square. So this is equation number 1. Then we have to find out the first order partial derivatives of this function, that is fx of x comma y. So here we are differentiating with respect to x. So a into y, x square differentiation minus 2x y, differentiation of x is 1 minus y square. So that is ay minus 2xy minus y square. Then fy. So here we are differentiating f with respect to y. That is a into x, differentiation of y is 1 minus x square into differentiation of y is 1 minus x into differentiation of y square is 2y. So that is ax minus x square minus 2xy. So for finding the maxima and minima, we have to equate first order partial derivatives to that 0. That is fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0. So fx equal to 0, ay minus 2xy minus y square equal to 0. That implies, taking y as common, a minus 2x minus y equal to 0. That implies y equal to 0, a minus 2x minus y equal to 0. Then fy equal to 0, that is ax minus x square minus 2xy equal to 0. Taking x as common, a minus x minus 2y equal to 0. That implies x equal to 0 and a minus x minus 2y equal to 0. So that we have to consider the 4 pairs of equations. So here there are 4 pairs of equations. Y equal to 0, x equal to 0. That implies x comma y equal to 0 comma 0. Next, a minus 2x minus y equal to 0 comma x equal to 0. Then substituting x equal to 0, we get a minus y equal to 0, that is y equal to a. Then the point is x comma y 0 comma a. Now y equal to 0, a minus 2x minus y equal to 0. A minus x minus 2 into 0 is 0. So a minus x equal to 0. So x equal to a. That is x comma y equal to a comma 0. And next, a minus 2x minus y equal to 0, a minus x minus 2y equal to 0. So here a equal to 2x plus y and a equal to x plus 2y. Then equating this, 2x plus y equal to x plus 2y. 2x minus x equal to 2y minus y. Then x equal to y. X equal to y, substituting in a equal to 2x plus y, we get a equal to 2 into y plus y, that is a equal to 3y. Then y equal to a by 3. And a equal to x plus 2y, substituting y equal to x, we get a equal to x plus 2 into y is x, that is a equal to 3x. Then x equal to a by 3. So here we get the point a by 3 comma a by 3. So therefore the 4 points are 0 comma 0, 0 comma a comma 0 and a by 3 comma a by 3. Now we have to find out the maximum and minimum values are at these 4 points. Then the second order partial derivatives are small r equal to fx square of x comma y, that is minus 2y, and s equal to fxy of x comma y, that is a minus 2x minus 2y, and t equal to fy square of x comma y, that is minus 2x. Now first one, at the point 0 comma 0, r equal to minus 2y, so minus 2 into 0 is 0, s equal to a minus 2 into 0 minus 2 into 0, that is a, t equal to minus 2 into 0, that is 0. So all values r and t is zeros and s equal to a. Now rt minus s square equal to 0 into 0 minus s is a square minus a square, which is less than 0. So rt minus s square is less than 0. So this is neither maximum nor minimum. So that here f of 0 comma 0 or 0 comma 0 point is not an extreme value of f of x comma y. Now second point, at the point 0 comma a, r equal to minus 2 into y, that is minus 2 into a, s equal to a minus 2x minus 2y, that is a minus 2 into 0 minus 2 into a, that is a minus 2a is minus a, t equal to 2 into minus 2 into x, that is minus 2 into 0 is 0. Now rt minus s square, r value is minus 2a into t is 0 minus s square minus a whole square, that is 0 minus a square, which is less than 0. So in this case also rt minus s square is less than 0. Then the function has neither maximum nor minimum. So that the point 0 comma a is not an extreme value of f of x comma y. Now our third point is at the point a comma 0, r equal to minus 2 into y, that is 0, minus 2 into 0 is 0, s equal to a minus 2x minus 2y, a minus 2 into x is a minus 2 into 0, so a minus 2a is minus a, t equal to minus 2x, that is minus 2 into a minus 2a. Now rt minus s square equal to r is 0, t is minus 2a minus s square is minus a whole square, that is 0 minus a square, which is also less than 0. So rt minus s square is less than 0. Then the function has neither maximum nor minimum. So that the point a comma 0 is not an extreme value of f of x comma y. Now at the fourth point, that is a by 3 comma a by 3, r equal to minus 2y, that is minus 2 into a by 3 minus 2a by 3, and s equal to a minus 2x minus 2y, that is a minus 2 into a by 3 minus 2 into a by 3, a minus 2a by 3 minus 2a by 3. Then by LCM, taking LCM, 3 into 1 is 3, so 3a minus 4a, that is minus a by 3, and t equal to minus 2x, x value is a by 3, minus 2 into a by 3 is minus 2a by 3. Now rt minus s square equal to minus 2a by 3 into minus 2a by 3 minus s square minus a by 3 whole square, that is minus into minus plus, 2 into 2 4, a square by 9 minus a square by 9, 4a square minus a square is 3a square by 9, that is a square by 3. So which is greater than 0, because here square of the term a square by 3 is greater than 0. So rt minus s square is greater than 0. Therefore f of a comma a by 3 comma a by 3 is an extreme value of the function f of x comma y. Now we have to find out this point is either maximum or minimum, that is here rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r value minus 2a by 3. So which is negative. So therefore f of a by 3 comma a by 3 will be a maximum or minimum according as r is negative or positive. So here depending upon a value, so this r value becomes negative or positive, that is according as a is positive or negative. And extreme value at the point a by 3 comma a by 3 is substituting this point in given function axy minus x square y minus xy square. So a into a by 3 minus a by 3 whole square y a by 3 minus a by 3 into a by 3 whole square, that is a cube by 9 minus a cube by 9. A cube by 3 square is 9 into 3 27. Here also 9 into 3 27 a cube. So LCM 27, 3a cube minus 2a cube, that is a cube by 27. So this is the extreme value of the point a by 3 comma a by 3 of the given function f of x comma y. Then next problem, find the extreme value of 2 into x minus y whole square minus x power 4 minus 5 power 4. Solution, here the given function is f of x comma y equal to 2 into x minus y whole square minus x power 4 minus 5 power 4. This is equation number 1. So then we have to find out the first order partial derivatives, that is fx and fy. So fx 4 into x minus y minus 4x cubed. Here we are differentiating with respect to x, so that 2 into 2 is 4 x minus y. Again differentiating x, we get 1 minus x power 4 4x cubed. This is 0. And fy, we are differentiating with respect to y, that is 2 into 2 4 x minus y. Again by differentiating minus 5 we get minus 1 minus 4y cube. So minus of 4 into x minus y minus 4y cube. So for finding the extreme value, we have to equate fx and fy equal to 0. So fx of x comma y equal to 0, that is 4 into x minus y minus 4x cube equal to 0. Then 4, taking 4 as common, then x minus y minus x cube equal to 0, then x minus y equal to x cube. This is equation number 2. And fy of x comma y equal to 0, that is minus 4 into x minus y minus 4y cube equal to 0, that is minus of taking 4 as common, x minus y minus y cube equal to 0, then minus of x minus y equal to y cube. This is equation number 3. Now adding these two equations 2 and 3, we get x minus x 0 minus y plus y 0, then x cube plus y cube equal to 0. We have the formula a cube plus b cube equal to 0 is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So that here we get x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square equal to 0. So here x plus y equal to 0 comma x square minus xy plus y square equal to 0. So here we have to consider the two pairs of equations. They are x minus y minus x cube equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 0, and similarly x plus y equal to 0 and x square minus xy plus y square equal to 0. So this is equation number 4, this is equation number 5. Now solving equation 4, that is x plus y equal to 0 and x minus y minus x cube equal to 0. X plus y equal to 0, that implies y equal to minus x. Substituting these y equal to minus x in x minus y minus x cube equal to 0, that is x. Y is minus of minus x cube equal to 0. So here x plus x is 2x minus x cube equal to 0. Then 2x equal to x cube. So here x and x cancel, then x square equal to 2. Then x equal to plus or minus root 2. So here x equal to plus root 2 and minus root 2. If x equal to root 2, then x plus y equal to 0. Substituting in this equation, root 2 plus y equal to 0, that implies y equal to minus root 2. So here x equal to plus root 2, then y equal to minus root 2. This is the one point, root 2 comma minus root 2. And if x equal to minus root 2, then x plus y equal to 0, minus root 2 plus y equal to 0, then y equal to root 2. So here we are getting the point as minus root 2 comma plus root 2. That is, so here we get the 2 points, root 2 comma minus root 2 and minus root 2 comma root 2. And now solving equations 5, that is x plus y equal to 0 and x square minus xy plus y square equal to 0. X plus y equal to 0 is nothing but x equal to minus y. Then substituting these value in x square minus xy plus y square equal to 0. X minus y square minus x minus y into y plus y square equal to 0. Minus y whole square is y square here minus into minus plus y square equal to 0. That is y square plus y square plus y square is 3y square equal to 0. That implies y square equal to 0. Then y equal to 0. Then substituting this y equal to 0 in x plus y equal to 0, we get x plus 0 equal to 0. That implies x equal to 0. So here we get the point x comma y as 0 comma 0. So that here we get the 3 points 0 comma 0 plus root 2 comma minus root 2 minus root 2 comma plus root 2. Now we have to find out the second order partial derivatives, that is small r, dou square f by dou x square, that is dou by dou x of 4 into x minus y minus 4x cube. So here we are differentiating with respect to x. So 4y is 0, 4 into x, that is 4 into 1 minus 4x cube. X cube is 3x square, so 4 into 3 is 12x square. So r value is 4 minus 12x square. Then s, dou square f by dou x dou y, this can be written as dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. Dou by dou x of dou f by dou y value is minus 4 into x minus y minus 4y cube. Then differentiating this with respect to x, minus 4, differentiation of x is 1. So here plus 4y becomes 0 and 4y cube is also 0. Then s equal to minus 4. And t value equal to dou square f by dou y square, that is dou by dou y of dou f by dou y value is minus 4 into x minus y minus 4y cube. So here we are differentiating with respect to y. So minus 4x becomes 0, minus into minus plus 4y. Differentiation of y is 1. So 4 into minus 1 minus 12y square. Therefore t value is minus 4 minus 12y square. Now first point, at the point 0 comma 0, r equal to dou square f by dou x square of 0 comma 0, that is 4 minus 12x square, that is 4 minus 12 into 0, that is 4. S value is minus 4. T value is dou square f by dou y square of 0 comma 0, that is 4 minus 12y square. 12 into 0, 0. That is 4 minus 0 is 4. Now rt minus s square equal to r 4 into t is 4 minus s square minus 4 whole square. So 4 into 4 is 16 minus 4 whole square is also 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So this is, in this case we get rt minus s square equal to 0. So in this case the given function has neither maximum nor minimum. And second point, at the point plus root 2 comma minus root 2, r equal to dou square f by dou x square of root 2 comma minus root 2, that is 4 minus 12 into x square. X value is root 2 whole square. 4 minus 12 into root 2 whole square is 2. So 4 minus 24, that is minus 20. S equal to dou square f by dou x dou y of root 2 comma minus root 2 is minus 4. And t value dou square f by dou y square of plus root 2 comma minus root 2. 4 minus 12y square, that is 4 minus 12 into y value. Y value is minus root 2 whole square. 4 minus 12 into minus root 2 whole square is 2. 4 minus 24, that is t value is also minus 20. Now rt minus s square equal to r value minus 20, t value minus 20 minus s is minus 4 whole square. 20 into 20 is 400 minus 16, that is 384. So 384 is greater than 0. So here rt minus s square greater than 0 and r equal to minus 20, which is less than 0. So here root 2 comma minus root 2 is an extreme value, and f of x comma y has maximum at root 2 comma minus 2, because rt minus s square greater than 0 and r less than 0. In this case the given function has maximum value, and the maximum value is, so substituting root 2 comma minus root 2 in the given function, 2 into x minus y whole square minus x power 4 minus y power 4, that is 2 into x root 2 minus y minus root 2, minus into minus plus root 2 whole square minus x root 2 whole power 4 minus y minus root 2 whole power 4. 2 root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2 whole square minus, this is root 2 into root 2 is 2. and root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 4. So 2 into, so root 2 whole square is 2. 2 square is 4. So 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. So this is the maximum value of the given function at the point root 2 comma minus root 2. And third point at the point minus root 2 comma plus root 2 are equal to dou square f by dou x square of minus root 2 comma root 2. 4 minus 12 into x square, that is minus root 2 whole square. 4 minus 12 into 2. 4 minus 24, that is minus 20. And is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y of minus root 2 comma plus root 2 minus 4. And t equal to dou square y by dou x square f by dou y square of minus root 2 comma root 2. 4 minus 12 y square. 4 minus 12 into y square is root 2 whole square. 4 minus 12 into 2. 4 minus 24 minus 20. Then now rt minus s square. rt minus s square, r is minus 20, t is minus 20 minus s minus 4 whole square. 400 minus 16. So which is 384 greater than 0 and r equal to minus 20. So this is also less than 0. So this is similar to the third point root 2 comma minus root 2. Therefore minus root 2 comma root 2 is an extreme value and f of x comma y has maximum at the point minus root 2 comma root 2 and the maximum value is 8.